Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring you can change screen time restrictions. You need the screen time passcode or device passcode. Once ready, open Settings and tap Screen Time. Then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and authenticate. You must be able to modify restrictions to reach Safari controls. Make sure Safari is allowed. If it was blocked, re-enable it so Safari settings become editable. This step unlocks the only route to clearing restricted search history. Do it now so you can proceed without hitting configuration blocks. Next, navigate to Settings, then Safari, and select Clear History and Website Data. If that option is grayed out, return to Screen Time and allow changes for Safari and website data. This is why you unlocked restrictions earlier. Once enabled, tap Clear History and Website Data and enter your passcode if prompted. This deletes browsing history, cookies, and search suggestions stored locally. You are removing the traces that Safari keeps. After completion, Verify History is empty in Safari to confirm success. Finally, confirm the history is cleared by opening Safari and checking history. There should be no entries. If entries remain, make sure screen time changes were saved and then reboot the device. Sometimes settings need a restart to apply. If the clear option stays disabled, sign out of iCloud or disable Safari syncing temporarily, then repeat the clear action. If you still can't clear history, double-check you used the correct screen time passcode, because the restriction is the only thing preventing deletion in this scenario.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.